The gasket that lines the refrigerator door and refrigerator unit is called the flipper mullion. This is the piece on the left-hand side of the door that flaps back and forth as the door is opened and closed. The flipper mullion can be seen between the fresh food doors when the doors are closed. The moisture buildup may appear as water sweating on the doors or moisture door. Under certain ambient conditions and consumer usage patterns, condensation or moisture may collect on the flipper mullion rail. Most of these models will have some type of humidity control feature that turns on the heater on the mullion rail. This control may be called humidity control or energy saver. To correct this concern, locate the control for humidity. If the control is off, turn it on during times of high humidity. The unit will use more energy with the control turned on. The control can be turned off again when humidity levels have dropped.